Hello everyone, myself Sachin, I am a proprietor of Sri Datta Sales Corporation. We are basically in industrial passive fire protection. Now what is passive fire protection? Before going ahead, we will understand what are the types of fire protection. There are two types of fire protection. One is called active fire protection and another is called passive fire protection. Active, the name itself tell us that when the fire takes place, it becomes active. One example, whenever it catches fire, the sprinkler starts sprinkling water, or we take the fire extinguishers, and we try to extinguish the fire. These all things are called active fire protection. Then what is passive fire protection? Passive fire protection is nothing but it is the arrangement made by me to buy the rescue time whenever it catches fire. In another word, we will try to understand with two examples. One is, suppose there is a fire in one compartment. What I will do, I will stop that fire or confine that fire to that particular compartment to certain extent so that it will not go in the another compartment. Then what will happen? I will get more time for rescue. I have just stopped the propagation of the fire or spreading of the fire. Another example. Suppose at this end some fire catches and it is spreading like anything. Then what I will do with the help of the passive fire protection system, I will restrict that fire to that particular position and I will drastically stop the propagation of that fire from that end to this end. What will happen? It will help me in two ways. I can buy the rescue time for getting rescued, and another thing is that it will generate another n number of advantages are there. So definitely what type of passive fire protections are there, what are the ways to do the passive fire protection, and how the passive fire protection helps us during our regular industrial activities. Then what should be the selection criteria, or how we can be reliable on the passive fire protection system. All these topics we will cover in the coming videos. If you like this video, please share this, like this, and subscribe this channel. We will definitely like to add more information on this particular passive fire protection. Thank you very much.